Start. The aforesaid judgment, dated 0409-2015, rendered by Honorable Single Judge in the case of Mahavir Singh, was challenged by the state of UP by filing special appeal effective number 884 of 2015, and the division bench of this court by means of its judgment and order dated 12/01/2016, while setting aside the judgment and order dated 04/09/2015, passed by the Honorable Single Judge, has observed that mere recommendation made in the said case by the Superintendent of Police for giving out of turn promotion did not confer any indefeasible or vested right of promotion. The division bench further observed that once the government order dated 07/06/2014 had taken effect, which has the effect of rescinding the office memorandum dated 03/02/1994, any promotion which is required to be made would necessarily have to be governed by the statutory rules which hold the file. The division bench thus held that a conscious policy decision has been taken by the state government based on the exigencies of the service and in terms of government order dated 07/06/2014, the office memorandum dated 03/02/1994 would stand rescinding, and that the scheme of out of turn appointments would stand substituted by monetary compensation. It is thus in the background of the aforesaid facts that the special appeal was allowed and the judgment rendered by Honorable Single Judge in the case of Mahavir Singh was set aside. Parachain. So far as the law laid down by the division bench in the aforesaid special appeal is concerned, there cannot be any plural however that is noticeable here is that the facts of the present case and the facts of the cases which were subject matter of the decision by the division bench in the special appeal defective number 884 of 2015 are distinguishable. The distinction between the facts of the present case and the facts which were under consideration before the division bench in the special appeal lie in relation to the date on which right of consideration for grant of out of turn promotion crystallized in favor of the petitioner in this read. petition and the person who were seeking out of turn promotion. In the case of Mahavir Singh, there is no dispute that all the matters which were decided by honorable single judge by means of judgment and order dated 0409-2015, the recommendation had been made for grant of out-of-turn promotion prior to issuance of the government order dated 07-06-2014, and the incidents on the basis of which such recommendation were made had occurred prior to the said date, that is, prior to issuance of government order dated 07-06-2014. However, in none of the said cases the matter was finally decided by the authorities in terms of the government order dated 03-02-1994. To the contrary, in the instant case, the decision was also taken for not granting out of turn promotion to the petitioner on 05/03/2013, which become subject matter of challenge before the UP Public Service Tribunal in the claim petition filed by the petitioner. ठीक है निकिता